If you want to turn your social media followers or website visitors into real leads and paying customers, creating a killer standing offer, sometimes called a lead magnet, think of it as the carrot you dangle in front of your audience. It's the first real step in turning casual interactions into consistent business growth. In this complete guide, we'll cover why a standing offer is a game changer, what makes one effective, how to balance value, scale, and sales flow. Real examples to spark your creativity. By the end, you'll be able to build your own high-performing standing offer using Follow-Up Spark to automate delivery, track results, and grow your client list like never before. What is a standing offer? A standing offer is a valuable freebie you promote across your social posts, website, emails, anywhere your audience sees you. The goal? To turn anonymous visitors into warm leads, you can follow up with Inside Follow-Up Spark. Whether you call it a lead magnet or opt-in incentive, the mission is the same. Move people from passive observers to active prospects in your ecosystem. This is the carrot that kicks off your sales journey.